Oh, them eye look red.
Actually, I see the flash on.
Oh. But these are the mother, these are the father, and them are the children. I'm gonna clean up clean up the pen now. So basically, bought only 2 rabbits.
I'll show them the baby.
He bought only 2 rabbits, the 2 big one, and then they had babies, and then they had a brown baby as well. So of course, you know, black and white give you brown. We had 2, and then we have babies coming up, you know. Look here, we have more babies rabbit coming up. This is why I'm cleaning up. So every morning him wake up and him just disappear out of the bed and start work.
Rabbit of baby every
But you know, so that's a good manure for plant something with.
Yeah, man. That's why I'm gonna store it.
So this is his little private time away from me, and he gets to burn up him herbs and everything. So I love this time. So right now, you see them just eat them feed. Them eyes look scary like evil rabbit. Like you know some evil rabbit show where the rabbit will come and eat you. I saw them eye look, not true? So yeah, when you have a family and you have some children will come out just like the father, you have some children will come out just like the mother. That's exactly what happened. You have this one will come out just like the father, and you have this one come out just like the mother, and you have 2, what is a combination of the mother and the father, the brown one. Alright, so happy rabbit day. And that's the eye.